The intermediate gear is one of several gears that make up the drivetrain of your drill. The gears both set the drill's speed and increase the torque that the drill produces. Over time, the gears will wear. As they do, the drill might begin to sound louder or make a clicking sound. If a gear fails completely, the motor will run, but the gear won't rotate. Replacing the intermediate gear is a repair that you could do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the gear cover from the drill. The intermediate gear is located in the center of the gearbox, and I can just simply pull it out of the gearbox. Now I can install the new gear. If your gear had worn to the point that the teeth had actually broken off of it, you'll need to go through both the gearbox and the gearbox cover and remove and replace all of the grease. The grease you need is Milwaukee's Type E grease. As I install the new gear, I'll take some of the Type E grease and coat the teeth of the gear with it. I'll also place some of the grease on the ends of the shafts where they go into the bearings. Now I can place this assembly back into the gearbox. With the gear in place, now I'll reinstall the cover. And I'll secure the cover with the screws. And now you know how to replace the intermediate gear on your whole hog. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.